Hi there, it's Tina again with another science. And today we're going to do an experiment with vinegar and baking soda. And I have something here on my balloon, and there is a heart on it. We're going to talk today about the Grinch. Do you remember the story of the Grinch's Christmas and what his heart was like when he first started in the movie? Later on, as his heart got larger, we learned that Christmas is more than what you have. It's about giving and about love and about family. So I've got this balloon here, and I'm just going to lay that down, and I'm going to take my vinegar, and I'm just going to add it to my bottle. This is just a regular water bottle that I took the water out of, and I'm going to fill it up to the second line on the bottom. It doesn't have to be exact. You can just pour in some of your vinegar in there. I'm just going to pour that. This bottle is heavy when I pour it. Ooh. Oops. There we go. So it's approximately that much in the bottom of your water bottle. And then the other ingredient we're going to use is baking soda. So I've just put a little bit of baking soda in this dish here to make it a little bit easier to use. So I'm going to set that down there. And we're going to take this balloon that kind of represents that small heart of the Grinch. So I'm going to take that balloon and put it on top of my funnel, just like that, so that we can get that baking soda inside. We're all ready to go like that. So I'm going to put about 3 good heaping scoops of baking soda in it. So I'm going to take my spoon, just a regular teaspoon out of the silverware drawer in your kitchen. And I'm going to put some of that into that funnel. 1, 2, and 3. And a little bit more because my spoonfuls weren't quite full. Here we go. I'm going to use the other end of my spoon here just to help get that down into that baking soda, into that balloon. There we go. Let's see, did we get it all? Yep, it's all inside. All right, I'm just going to move that out of the way here. So I've got my bottle right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off my balloon off of that funnel and very carefully place it on top of the bottle. So I have to stretch that opening of that balloon and put it right on top of that bottle. There we go. So it's nice and snug on there. And we're going to do that before we put that, because this is full of that baking soda, but we're going to try to put that balloon on top of that bottle without letting some of that baking soda inside. All right, I'm going to sit right over here so you can see really well. And let's see what happens. So I'm going to tip this balloon up now and let that baking soda get mixed up with that vinegar in that bottle. And let's see what happens when we let that baking soda go. Oh my goodness. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Whoa. So that baking soda that was in the balloon and that vinegar down in the bottom of that bottle, they combined together and made what's called carbon dioxide. So it's like little bubbles, and it filled up that balloon with that carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what you might find in like a sparkly water or in some sodas that you have, like Coke or Sprite. They're all a little bit bubbly, and that's what's inside of this. That's what is made with the baking soda and the vinegar. So what do you notice about that heart? His heart got very big. So this Grinch, his heart was so small after he realized that Christmas was much, much more, and Christmas was about love and about peace and about family and being together. And his heart grew, and it grew and grew, just like this balloon did. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And I'll see you next year again on Friday on January the 8th. Have a great Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Bye-bye.